Question 10 says, in triangle ABC, which is the overall big triangle that we have here, we have D is a point on AB, E is a point on AC, and F is a point on BC, such that DECF is a parallelogram. So DECF, this is our parallelogram. BF S to FC is equal to 2s to 3. So BF S to FC is 2s to 3. Notice that these are not lengths that we are given, but rather they are ratios. So whatever BF is, FC will be, how can I say this? FC will be 3 times greater than that divided by 2, something like that. But basically it shows us that for every 2 units this one grows 3 units. So that is our ratios. They describe how sides relate to each other. So it's important that you don't mix up the ratios with the actual lengths. Then they tell us the perpendicular height AG is drawn intersecting DE at H. AG is equal to T units. So AG is equal to T units. This is length now. And we know this is perpendicular. And BC is equals to 5 minus T units. BC is equals to 5 minus T units. So the entire thing is 5 minus T units. Our first question says, write down AH, the ratio of AH over HG. So AH over HG will be so we have AH over HG, that's part of this triangle, like that, this line. We need to get the ratio of AH, which is this long part, over the short part. So AH over HG. Since BF over FC is equals to 2 over 3, then AH over HG will be equal to 3 over 2. So how we can get this is, we already know that BF is to FC is 2s to 3. That will be the same for BD as to DA. This is also because of parallel lines, because DF is parallel to AC. So this will be 2s to 3. But then we see that this line AB and this line AG also form part of their own triangle. Which if I were to highlight that triangle, we get something like that. And from this triangle, we can see, because of the parallel lines as well, this one and this one, the ratio of AH to HG will just be the same as AD to DB, which will be 3 over 2. So if you were to write it in full, you'd say AH over HG is equal to AD over DB. But we know AD over DB, that's equal to AD over DB, that's equal to CF over FB. So that's equals to FC over BF. And that is just the inverse of that, which would be 3 over 2. So there's your answer.